Hello everybody, it's Mickey here, Mr. India, and I got a small project on the Golf G60. These headlights, back in the, I guess, 1990s, when I used to have a 16 valve, not 16 valve, an 8 valve normal GTI, not a G60, I did get these Heller upgrades. So these are made by Heller, who's the original manufacturer of these actual headlights. And they made coloured ones, a green one, a red one, a black one, and a blue one. And today, after a long search, I managed to find the blue version of these rear lights, and we're going to change them. So let's get on with it. Okay, I've got them in the boot of my car, and here they are. Original box. The original Heller lights. I ordered these from Europe, and this is what they look like, and blue compared to that. I think, given the colour of my car, that's not a bad fit. Really easy fit. I'm just going to take the bulb cluster out the back, get the bolts off, and we'll get on with it. Oh, before I do, let's just check the lights out. Oh, might help if that's in. So you can see, bit of a red light. But let's switch that off. Let's get them on. Three nuts out. Should just pop out. See what I'm doing. Ta-da! That's simple. And new one. That's fully in. I think it's looking pretty cool. It's just 3 nuts holding it on, 8mm nuts. One. Okay, the nut broke, or the stud broke. Where's the other light gone that I just took out? One of these studs can be removed. They can't. Maybe they can. If they can, let's swap one over. Give me 1 second. So, it's a problem with old cars. Well, this is old, new old stock. What's just happened is this has just bust off, and I'm going to undo this light and put it off the old light. So we do have, get this back out. Okay, so here's what's happened. This, you can see, oops, this, if you can see, snapped off of there. So I am going to, no I'm not. I thought I was going to replace that, but I can't because it's got a different thing. So I'm going to leave it with 2. It'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. Okay, back to plan A. Just put it in. Okay. What do you think? That's an original. That's the blue. Let's switch the lights on and see what it looks like. It's not bad actually. Still orange. Still orange. That's why you get original Hellas, not replicas, because they do this really, really well. So let's do that side. Right. Easy peasy. We actually need this rubber. I'm taking this off. And if you can see, there's a lot of dirt here. I'm going to clean all that because that's what you do when you're enthusiast. I've got some degreaser. This is a water-based degreaser. So now I have to put this on here. The old rubber. Get it in place. Got to be careful that I don't break the stud this time. With Hella, because they made the original ones, this rubber fits perfect. Goes all the fixing points for the rubber all work. Ready to go in. Pretty cool. Oops. Right. Look at this. That just aesthetically looks pretty good. Okay. And two blue lights. See the lights? Pretty cool if you ask me. Very quick upgrade. That's Mickey signing out. God, what time is it? It is 7, I don't know, coming up to 7:30. Probably took me about 10 minutes each side. Easy upgrade, but $600. Come on, was it worth it? I don't know. I like it. Yeah. Just had an opinion there. I think my son likes the old ones. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But let's try this for a while. See how it goes. Here's Mickey signing out. And catch you soon. Hope you like him. Oh, if I can get the green ones, I might do that. That might work better. I'm going to go search for the green ones.